Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing and doing a nail look. We are going to be reviewing the Ohuhu gel nail polish kit with 36 watt lamp. This is on Amazon for $44.99. You can also save 40% with the coupon code on Amazon. This is the beautiful packaging that it comes in. So right off the bat, you get your instruction manual. It shows you all the beautiful colors that you're going to get. It shows you everything that comes in the kit. Some tips and some tricks. Okay, you get your UV LED nail lamp, but I just want to quickly show you what it does look like. It is 36 watts. This is what the lamp looks like. It's got a 60-second button, an 80-second button, and a 99 low heat mode button. That is what it looks like on the underside. As you can see here, there are 12 colors. You get 6 in this one, 6 in this one. And then, of course, you get your base coat, your top coat, and a matte top coat. You get the goodies that are in here. A nail file, you get a buffing block, you get a cuticle pusher, you get a brush, you get a cuticle nipper, you get toe separators, a manicure brush, and some nail clippers. Okay, so on the top of the bottles it has the color and the number. Alright ladies, I went ahead and did 2 coats, and I went over it with the top coat. And I want to say that this top coat's really, really nice. It's very thick and it goes on very smooth. So, to make the video go a little faster, I have went ahead and I applied my Enail Couture 5XL square nails. And then I did have to use my Couture black nail polish because this kit doesn't come with a black. And I went ahead and painted all the nails with 1 coat of Couture's black polish and cured those for 60 seconds. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the matte top coat that came with the kit, and now you're gonna go over these nails with 1 or 2 coats of the matte top coat. Once you apply that to all your nails, go ahead and give that a 60-second cure. Now you're gonna take a palette and you're gonna put all the colors that you're gonna use on your palette. Alright, once you have them on your palette, now it's time to apply them to the nails. The first nail I'm going to do is my accent nail. You're going to want to get a liner brush. I'm using my crystal liner brush. It looks just like that. Really teeny tiny. And for this one, I'm just going to go ahead and go down and make a line all the way down the nail. And I'm going to do that with all the colors on this one nail. I'm not going to cure it until after I'm done. Make sure to clean your brush in between as well. I'm trying to keep a little bit of space in between the color. Now my lines are not perfect, I know that. It's really hard to draw lines and record, so just bear with me. Alright, once I have the colors on, I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure on this nail before they all start spreading around. So for this nail, I've already started. I'm just doing like, I guess you could say cow print, but more for like a Halloween, like a Halloween cow print. Alright, once you got that done, go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. My blooming gel, you can use any blooming gel. I'm just going to use my Fun Gel 000 by Enail Couture. And I'm going to apply the blooming gel over the top of the matte top coat. Ooh, that looks really cool. I like that. That's neat. That's neat. Okay, make sure you pull off any excess polish before you cure that. All right, you're going to take your finger, put it on the edge of the nail, and just pull that down. Pull that down. Make sure you got all the excess polish off of there. And go ahead and cure. If you guys have figured out what I'm doing, comment down below. So another coat of your blooming gel. Alright guys, I'm just letting it finish spreading. Look how neat that looks. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do a cure. Alright, now before it spreads too much and starts colliding together, go ahead and take your finger, pull all that off. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a full 60-second cure. Alright, now I'm going to take, again, the matte top coat. You already know, we're going to matte these nails. I like this matte top coat, and I really, really like these gel polishes. They could be a little more opaque, but they're nice. They're not bad. They went on nice and smooth. Everything looks good. I really like the fact that it has neons in there. And then it's got the green and the red for like Christmas. You could use it for Christmas. Alright, after you got your top coat, go ahead and cure for 60 seconds. This is why I chose the colors to use, because I wanted to make a set of black light nails. I thought it would be super, super fun. So if any of you guys guessed that, congratulations. So would you guys rock these? Would you guys go into the club and wear these? Let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. What do y'all think? We got the black light here. Ooh wee, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that fun? So I also tied in 2 black bows from one of my McCart kits, just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And yeah, there you have it. Woo! I know they're funky colors, but hey, I think it looks really cool in the black light. If you guys could only see them in person, they really look neat. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. Definitely go check out the Ohuhu Beauty Polish Kit with LED lamp. It is absolutely amazing. I definitely would purchase this kit. Yes, absolutely. Now, the colors that I did not use today, you already know, are the 2 glitters, but these would actually be really great for a Christmas or a holiday look. So go get you one of these kits if you are interested. Let me know what you think of the blacklight nails. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you don't mind. Subscribe if you have not. Don't forget to turn that notification bell on for all videos so you will get notified. I have had a lot of people tell me they're not getting notified of my videos. And I hope you all have a blessed day. Stay safe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.